Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I know I've answered this before, but I really can't find the video. So I'm trying to explain somebody something. If they want the B to be different than the rest of the text, so this text is Garmin, we're going to take the text tool and click on it before the B and then just hold down your left mouse button and do that. And then you can change it to whatever you want. Let's try Gabriola. Then in Gabriola is one of the fonts that you can actually change more and you can have it fancy by different stylistics. Now you can do it that way, or, and that's highlighting the font. You can see that. Or you can always go to object and break Brianna apart. And then you have this and you could go up here and just change it to whatever you want. And then when you still need to use a text tool to highlight it to get this cursor. Now you could even take this further and manipulate this pattern and make it shorter, make it longer. We'll just do that real quick. Let's go ahead and make it left click, right click. And let's say we want a little bit of that flare, but not much. Let's zoom in here. We need a rounded end on it. So I'm gonna hold down the control button to make a perfect circle. Whoop. And then just guide this circle into that spot. Let's zoom in here. I could actually measured it. You know what, we'll do that. We'll take the parallel dimension tool and just measure from like right there to right there. And we have 0.24. So if we draw a 0.24, I'm gonna draw it. I'm using somebody else's file and I'm not drawing in hairline like I normally draw. But we're gonna make this ellipse now 0.24. And it's the right size of our item. And then just have it, try to get it right in the middle. And sometimes you might have to use, if you set your nudge factor real low, like 0.01, you can manipulate that just ever so slightly, kind of get it in the middle. And then you can always test it by taking the virtual segment delete key and delete it. See, we're not in there yet. We're not good enough. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make our ellipse 0.25. So it kind of stands out, and then we're still going to move it over a little bit because that doesn't really matter. Now take that and do that. You could take those. Well, it won't let me do it because the text is still a text and not a curve. So we're going to go and convert it to a curve, and then we can delete these lines. And I could have done a better job, but now if we take this, let's make our nudge factor quite a bit bigger, like, let's see how big this is. 6 inches, make it like 7 inches. Take the Smart Fill tool, set it on black, and fill that in. Move that over. You just get rid of your line by hitting delete, and then move this back. So now you have a shorter part of that bead. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.